Hello everyone, this is Drew with Drew Drives at Grubbs Infinity in Grapevine, Texas, and today let's go for a drive in this 2025 Infiniti QX80 Pure. I've been waiting to get my hands on a Pure to review. I have videos on the Lux, Sensory, and the Autograph. The Pure is the entry-level model on the 2025 QX80. As you can see right here, you do have the monolith screen system. You have the heated seats, 360-degree camera system as well. You have the clipped sound system. The Pure and the Lux will just have the regular clipped sound system. The Sensor and the Autograph will give you the reference Premier sound system. And you have leather seats. This is the black interior. Paddle shifters behind the steering wheel. This one is white. And here are the wheels on the Pure. Total price on the window sticker is $86,795. Here are your captain's chairs. Pretty nice. You have a place to store your phone and charge it with these USB-C charging ports. You have heated seats back here as well. Pretty comfortable. And to get in the third row, you'll have to use these two manual levers and then lift it. Third row is pretty spacious, but you can also walk through that pass-through over there. You can spec it to have a bench or have the captain's chairs. This one is spec'd with the captain's chairs. And here's the trunk. You have the QX80 cargo net over there. But yeah, same powertrain. You got 450 horsepower, 3.5 liter V6, twin turbo. And you just have the regular mirror in this one. You do not have the camera mirror that you'll find in the higher trims. But yes, if you're looking for the 2025 QX80 and want the most price-friendly model, this will be it, the Pure. Feels pretty similar to the Lux interior wise. And I just turned on the daytime running lights by using that little switch on the left on the turn signal stock. I'm gonna put it in sport mode. You have personal, eco, tow, standard, and sport and snow modes. And this is a really big SUV. Like, this is like a Escalade competitor. I like the way the new QX80 drives. The engine sounds pretty good, and I like the twin turbo V6. The previous QX80 had a naturally aspirated V8 with 400 horsepower. So this has 50 horsepower bump, and you have better low-end torque because of the turbos. You have blind spot alert in the mirror housing. As you can see over there, it's a little triangle. Pretty similar to what you'd find in most cars. It just displays the speed limit in the gauge cluster. Seats feel pretty comfortable. You have lumbar support, of course, which you can adjust. I'm trying to move it, so it looks like it'll only adjust the lumbar for the bottom part of your back and forth, but it's not more adjustable than that, is what it looks like. But seats do feel pretty nice overall. I like that. You also have a panoramic sunroof, no surprise. But yeah, I really like the QX80 just because it's the new QX80, just because it stands out compared to some of the other bigger SUVs. I mean, if you like Infinitis, and if you want like a big SUV that stands out, makes a statement, and is pretty luxurious, you would like the new QX80 for sure. Ride is very smooth, even in this Pure. The ride feels pretty much the same on all of them, to be honest with you. But yeah, this one's not an all-wheel drive. I think this one's a rear-wheel drive. Otherwise, it would say four-wheel drive on the back and on the window sticker. Hey, they all drive really nice. I mean, it is a very expensive SUV, so that should come as no surprise that it's really smooth. It sounds good. The engine sounds good, I mean. And you know, the road noise is very limited, especially with the Pure having smaller tires or wheels, smaller wheels, my bad, with more sidewall. You'll definitely feel less of you'll have a more cushy ride. Whereas like the Autograph, the top trim has really big wheels and like lower profile tires, in which you would probably feel more of the bumps and stuff. But obviously the Autograph is still extremely smooth and has a lot of luxury touches like massage seats and massaging ventilated and heated seats for the middle passengers, which is pretty awesome to see that. Yeah, overall nice ride. You have a wireless charging tray over there, as you can see, and you also have those cup holders, which you can close the lid if you don't want to use them. But I like this. It feels pretty good. And if you want to as I said, if you want to enter the 2025 QX80 ownership, and you don't want to spend, you want to spend the least as you can on it, you got to get the Pure, which is still close to roughly $90,000. This one is, at least. But yeah, it's a nice car. Visibility is great too. You have plenty of room in the middle captain's chairs for any kind of passenger. You can probably fit children, adults, anyone you want in those big seats with all that leg room as well, which is nice. Here's the key fob on this 2025 QX80 Pure. You do have the remote start on the key fob, and this is the key fob you'll be finding on the 2025 QX80 and 2025 QX60 models. It's a new INFINITI key fob. It was finally changed after a very long time, and I still like how the Pure maintains these little lines on the dash, and it says INFINITI. It's a nice touch. And you do have the adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist, of course. You have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, built-in Google Maps, which is great. I love built-in Google Maps. GPS position, Google Assistant, pretty cool. But yeah, overall this is a nice SUV. And if you would like to shop for the 2025 INFINITI QX80, be sure to check out the link to Grubbs Family Dealerships and Grubbs Infiniti in the description below. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video.